Hello and welcome to our Stowe Talks How-To series. In this video, we will look at how to prepare for your first meeting with a lawyer. When choosing a lawyer, you might need to have initial consultations with a few different ones before you find one you will work well with and trust, and this is normal. In preparing for your first meeting with your lawyer, practicalities are important. For example, whether the meeting will be in person or online, and this is a personal choice. Either way, try to arrive or be set up 5 to 10 minutes before your meeting so you can mentally prepare and manage any technical issues if you are meeting virtually. Your lawyer will confirm all the details with you in advance, including the information they would find useful to have from you prior to meeting. If you are unsure about anything, contact them to check. You will need to be somewhere private if you are meeting virtually. If the meeting is in person, then consider what other practicalities there might be, such as whether you need to find childcare or take time off work. The meeting will last about 45 minutes, and in order to get the most out of it, you want to ensure you are not distracted by your other commitments and can focus entirely on the meeting. Your lawyer will have asked you to provide some information prior to the meeting to ensure a more focused and tailored discussion. For example, personal details such as dates of birth, your wedding date, and information about any children you have. You'll also need to tell your lawyer if and for how long you lived with your partner before you got married. Importantly, you will need to explain information about your individual and joint financial situation. Documents like bank statements, pension letters, and mortgage information will be useful, but don't worry if you don't have everything to hand at this stage. This meeting is an important overview of your current situation, what you ultimately want to achieve, and any concerns you may have. It is an opportunity to ask any pressing questions and explain what your vision for the next stages are, such as remaining amicable with your ex or your ideal child arrangements. If it helps you, write down your questions in advance and make a note of any you think of during the conversation. With the information you share, your lawyer will be able to give an idea of what might happen in your case and options for progression in light of their understanding of the law, their experience, and what they understand your priorities to be. However, this will not be an in-depth account of the divorce process, nor will they give you an expected final outcome for your case. Your next steps are unique to you. You can instruct your lawyer to act at this point, for example, to help you with your financial disclosure, or you can take time to think over your options. Your initial meeting will give you sufficient information to proceed, provided you come with the information requested by your lawyer.